Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you does Motorola Moto G52 has screen recording. Let's go. Okay guys, what we do? We scroll here, down, right, we hold this and here we have settings to recording, record time limit, file size limit, record touch points, dynamic, how you know, frame per how much FPS you want, frames per second, the resolution and other things. Okay, let's start downloading, recording, start. As you can see, I download, I can put the camera on. Hello, I will turn it off. I will try to turn it off. Yes, I turned it off. I can as you can see, I can select microphone, mic and system sound, other things. I can write here, which is very nice, as you can see. Okay guys, and that's all from recording. Screen record folder. The video has been saved. Let's go there so I can show you this video. So to get there is very easy. All you need to do is go to files and screen record. It's here, as you can see, but the screen record is quick because you may done the same thing, because when we start recording, why is it so black? Okay, so what we do, as you can see, I record. Before I wasn't recording, I was just showing you the screen, which is my bad, but let's do it again, but properly. That's how you, so I just show you do everything, to be honest. Okay, but let's cancel the recording and show you that it is saved here. Here, the longer one. As you can see, it's here. Okay guys, so thank you for watching. Have a good day. Goodbye.